Hi, and welcome to Patio Productions. Today we're talking about something that could totally transform your backyard design: artificial grass. How to choose the best fake grass for your outdoor goals. Gone are the days of that plastic-looking AstroTurf. Modern artificial grass looks incredibly natural and can last up to 25 years. But here's the thing: choosing the right type is crucial. As you shop, you've got three main materials to choose from: polyethylene for that super natural look, nylon for high-traffic areas, or polypropylene, which is often used to mimic golf courses. Many modern premium artificial grasses actually use some combination of these materials to get the best looks, feel, and durability. Here's a pro tip: pile height matters. For most homes, we recommend around 1.75 inches. It looks natural, but isn't a pain to maintain. And don't forget about drainage. If you're in a rainy area or have pets, go for 100% permeable backing. Trust me, nobody wants a swampy backyard. The best part? Artificial grass creates the perfect foundation for your dream outdoor space. Add some luxury patio furniture, a fire pit, or even create separate zones for dining and lounging. If you want to learn more about choosing the best artificial grass for a stylish backyard design, the link to our comprehensive blog article is in the description below. Or, if you're ready to find the perfect piece of stylish, high-quality patio furniture for your outdoor space, head over to patioproductions.com to explore our outdoor furniture collections that pair perfectly with artificial grass. Thanks for watching, and we hope to hear from you soon.